Always have an open mind. Don't come right out of high school thinking you're going to do one thing for the rest of your life, because you could do 10 other things before that lead you to that moment. When it comes to manufacturing, it's an open door. Manufacturing isn't just factory work, it isn't just inspecting things, it's an opportunity to learn, and that could send you anywhere. I am Megan. I'm an inspection operator here at Togus Products. An inspection operator is someone who inspects all of the parts coming off of a machine and makes sure they meet quality standards before we send them to the customer.
This is a knob and spring assembly. So what the operator would be doing is inspecting the parts that are conveyed to them from the conveyor. They then take the knob, making sure that it meets the quality standards, whatever those may be for whatever job is running. Take a spring and combine the two. They then place them in the trays, and a secondary operator, someone else who is signed off on the job, would come over and double inspect. If you're running this job, because this is a fairly easy one, for lack of a better term, you could run this and maybe one or two other machines. So the operator who is over here currently could be running this and the machine behind us, depending on the labor allocation. I have been working since I was 15. I was a manager at the local Hot Topic at the mall. I worked there until I was 20, and then I came here because my father thought it would be a better opportunity, and it has been. It was a much more open door than retail could have been. So with these parts, it actually tells us on this little sheet here how many we would be making, and we're actually going to make almost 1,500 parts a day. I like that it's never the same thing every day. There's no monotony. You can come in, one day you can be running the knob spring assembly, and the next day you could be assembling containers or tape blade dispensers. It's always something different.
Growing up, you get this idea that factories are a dirty, unclean, oily place where people work to the bone, and that's not true at all. This is a very clean, welcoming environment, and I thought that was probably one of the best parts of it.